Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the kitchen is in a bit of a mess right now. This weekend, my husband and I were working on cleaning out the garage because I had tons of moving boxes from our past move. If you just moved, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's kind of stressful, and so I focused just on that and left the kitchen alone. And as you can see, this is what had accumulated from the past 3 days. So I'm gonna do a video kind of showing you guys my cleaning routine for the kitchen. Let me know if you guys like videos like these down below, and if you do, I will continue making them for each room in my house. So if you want some cleaning motivation, then continue watching. First thing I like to do is unload the dishwasher from the night before and clean them with a kitchen towel to make sure they're nice and dry. I like to put everything away in their places and also grab the recycling that I've left on the counter and make sure to put it in the recycling bin in the garage. Now it's time to load the dishwasher with all of those dishes that I had in the sink. I do have some bulkier items that I like to hand wash, but other than that, the rest of the items will get put in the dishwasher.
It comes tumbling to the ground when she speaks. It's a dangerous fantasy, sets me free. Where I wanna be. She sets me free.
With my bigger items that I like to hand wash, I like to let them sit in the sink with some dish soap and kind of let it marinate. I find that it helps me to clean better when I hand wash them. And also I like to pour in some distilled vinegar in my load of dishes. I then like to go and clean any little gadgets that I have laying around in the kitchen that I might have used during the week. Now we are going back to those dishes that had to get hand washed, and I'm using a towel that is infused with dish soap. Why does it sound so hard to say dish soap? Try saying that 10 times fast. I typically use a sponge and some soap, but I randomly found this one under the sink and wanted to give it a try, and I actually really liked it. Now it's time to dry those dishes and put it away. Normally I would just let them air dry, but because I had a lot more dishes to get washed, I wanted to kind of get them out of the way, so I did hand dry them. Now I'm going to be removing everything from the kitchen counters and putting them to one side so I can work on one thing at a time, and I'm actually using a magic eraser and cleaning all of the surfaces of those white cabinets, and this actually helps them to stay nice and clean and nice and white. And I also like to clean those handles. I'm using a glass cooktop cleaner with a sponge and getting all that grime out of the way. I also love to use Windex to clean all of my glass appliances and also the microwave. I find that it gives it a really nice appearance and makes everything super shiny.
Sets me free. Oh, to where I wanna be, I wanna be. She sets me free. Where I wanna be, I wanna be.
Now I'm cleaning all of my little appliances like a toaster and my mixer. And then I'm going in with a granite and stone cleaner. I do have marble, so it's really important to clean it with a special cleaner. I prefer the Method marble cleaner, but I didn't have it and I wanted to try something new, and I actually didn't really like it because it leaves streaks. So if you do have marble, I recommend that cleaner. It's amazing. I like to spray my kitchen towels with some Febreze. I find that it keeps them smelling nice and fresh. These are for decor, so I don't really use them. If they get stains on them, I normally just grab them and put them in the washer.
Like a castle in the sand, and when it comes down, it comes tumbling to the ground when she speaks. It's a dangerous fantasy, sets me free. Where I wanna be. She sets
If there's any jars that have to get refilled, this would be the time where I go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to clean my stainless steel appliances, and I like to go in with a microfiber towel. And I've found to get the best clean, I like to go with the grain of the stainless steel, and this is going to help you to get a really nice shine, streak-free look. And now it's time to clean the floors. I like to remove my rug, spray them with some Febreze to keep them nice and fresh, and then I'll go in with my Dyson vacuum cleaner, which is possibly the best vacuum ever. It picks up everything super fast. It works on carpet and wooden floors, and it's wireless, so you don't have to have an annoying wire behind you all the time. Normally, I would go in with a hardwood cleaner after that, but it didn't need it, so I'm just placing my rugs just perfectly. I'm a little bit OCD about that. And now I'm putting in a new candle because the other one died. That was my kitchen cleaning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you want more videos like these, please subscribe, like the video, and let me know down below which room of the house you'd like me to do next. Hope you guys have a fabulous week. Bye, guys!